So you're trying to add border to your image in Canva, but there's always this problem in Canva where even though you pick the border from the elements, you found the perfect border, but the border does not happen to be like totally fitted into your image. Suppose your image is quite small or like big, and the border is quite like small, like it does not fit with the image. You're going through that issue, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fit those border exactly to your image. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say we're adding border in this new square or rectangle, whatever you want to say it, and this, I want to add border to this, right? So let's go to elements and let's tap in border rectangles. I say I want this border, so it's zoom out. So this border is obviously too large, so I want it to be exactly to the size of the square over here. Let's make it to square. So yeah, this is the size, right? So here what is happening is that you have to this is the exact size. So for now, do not think about those vertical lines. We just have to worry about this being fitted. So yeah, this has been fitted. So there's a trick over here. What you have to do is go in this edit option, and now you can tap in this over here, and all you have to do is here you can see the option of crop. You have to tap in there, and suddenly you can see those borders which was not visible before. Now it is visible now. So see, if you do it like that, it won't come down, right? So yeah, this six. So one hack for this is simply click in this corner and hit that shift in the keyboard. So if you do that, then you see the magic, is perfectly fitted now. Yeah, so same goes with the down part. Let's keep on hitting that shift button, and yeah, ta-da! So this is how you add border. It is perfectly fitted. It's perfect fit for the image. The border is looking very nice. So yeah, this is how you add. And also there's another way. There is a border option, like you can see. It's simply border, enter. You can see some fancy border like this over here. Yeah, okay, this over here. Suppose you want to add border, you can simply make it to the size. This. Let's copy this one, duplicate this, and let's make it over this side. So it's up to you. You can make it more fancy. Let's add this one also. It's always not the size of the image, so yeah. And you can play around with what's looking best. So yeah, this is how you add border. I mean, this right here is not looking very nice, but yeah, you get the gist. You can customize it in your own liking, on your own preference. So yeah, this is how you add border. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.